Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you 4 top online places that you get started with today and make quite a bit of extra money doing online jobs right from your home online in 2020. Alrighty guys, stick around. I'm going to get started on this video here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. As I said earlier, I'm going to show you 4 top places that you can get online jobs working from home and making pretty good money, and it's easy tasks to do. Alright, before we get started on this, my name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com, and if this is your first time to my videos, what we do here is videos about making money online, anything to do with making money online to bring time and financial freedom into your life. And also we do affiliate marketing videos, and once in a while we'll throw in a motivational video as well. Okay, alrighty, let's go ahead and get started on this. By the way, if you've been to my channel too and you have not yet subscribed, before we get started in this, reach down there right now while you're thinking about it and hit that subscribe button, and make sure you click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here on this channel. Alrighty? Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started on this. I'm going to come over here first before we get started on this. Every one of these places that I'm going to show you, these 4 places, requires a PayPal account so you can get paid, right? So if we come over here and you have not got a PayPal account, what you want to do is you want to go to paypal.com. You see it there in the address bar. Paypal.com. It's free to sign up. You just click on the sign up button here, and it loads up here, and you can choose a personal account here, or if you want, you can start a business account as well. But a personal account, I think, is about all you'll need, and then it's free to sign up to get your PayPal account, and just walk through their steps here and you can get signed up and have that. The only thing about that is you want to make sure you use a good email address, and it's probably a good idea that if on these 4 sites that I'm going to show you, to use your PayPal email address so it's congruent with PayPal that you signed up with. Okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and come over here. Our first site today is called Timebucks here. As you can see it right here, Timebucks, changing the world one task at a time, it says. And as you can see right here, I'll zoom this in a little bit here for you. You can see it says get paid to post on TikTok. Now I'm not real sure what TikTok is. I think that's like WhatsApp or some sort of a chat app or something like that. You guys probably know more than I do about that. I'm not real sure, but you can get paid to post on there, it says. And view funny slideshows and play games, install apps, complete captchas, post on Instagram, and answer surveys are some of the things you can get paid to do with. And of course it's free to sign up here, which, by the way guys, these places I'm showing you here, they're all free to sign up, and they're all available anywhere in the world, and you can do this right from your home. Okay? And here on Timebucks you can sign up through your Facebook account, or you can create a local account right on their website. And it says here, what you see here is they got daily bonuses. Each day where they run a competition where the top 5 earners can win a nice bonus, it says. And then you can start earning instantly. There's no approval process required for new signups. You can just sign up in 5 seconds and start earning immediately. And they have a referral program, so here you go. They've got an affiliate program here, and it says we have a multi-level referral program, so you can earn commission on everyone you refer and everyone they refer to, up to 5 levels deep. So you could probably make some pretty good money with this website right here. They have weekly payouts. We pay everyone weekly via PayPal, or you can even get Bitcoin, cryptocurrency pay as well, and a friendly support here. It says, they're saying here, does it sound too good to be true? It says sign up here and let us prove you wrong. Okay, that sounds pretty good. So, but if we come over here to their frequently asked questions here and click on that, The one that we're interested in is right here. How much money can I make, right? That's what we're interested in. So we'll click on that. It says right here, your average earnings greatly depend on a number of factors, such as your country, device you are using, and how long you've been using the site for. For example, for first-time use, someone from the United States using a combination of desktop and mobile devices, which, by the way, you can also do this on your phones, iPhone and Android, and on their first day could earn up to $50 on your very first day. Every day after that, you can earn anywhere from $10 to $20 depending on how much time you spend on the site. The first time is always the highest because most of the high-paying offers are available, and some offers only allow you to complete them once, so then they don't become available anymore here. These earnings do not include any referral earnings, such as the affiliate program that I mentioned. Your earnings potential by using the two referral systems are limitless. So I would think on this site you could make some pretty good money. That's what it sounds like here. Alright, so then the next site, that was site number 1. The next site that we're going to bring up here is called Timebucks. See this right here? It's up here in the address bar. Timebucks.com. Again, it's free to register here. Sign up now and use the code CBLaunch and get 50 Timebucks free to start just for signing up. It's free to sign up, and you can use your Facebook or Google account as well here too. You see, use Google account as well. Okay, and it says make money with Timebucks by answering surveys and completing offers. Earn virtual credit called Timebucks CB and redeem that for free gift cards and or cash. Let's get paid for sharing your opinion. Get Timebucks by answering surveys, completing simple offers, and then cash in your Timebucks for cash, gift cards, and other amazing rewards. What are you waiting for? Start making money. And you see they've paid out about $1 million since 2014. This site's been around for a few years. And then you see PayPal here as they scroll through, and you can get Bitcoin on this site as well, and some of their other payment methods that they use here, and rewards partners. And then you see some testimonies from other folks here, and then some of the gift cards that you can get, even PayPal gift cards as well as cash or cash on a card. As you can see, some of these right here, even Netflix and so on and so forth. And you can earn free PayPal money, of course, and then you can download the app, join with your computer or your cell phones as well here, and so on and so forth. So, and they click on down here like how it works here. That's quite a lot to read here. I won't go through all this, obviously, but you can come over and read through this, and it will show you how it works and how to make the most money and or get the most rewards on this particular site right here called Timebucks. Okay, all right, and then the other one here, our site number 3 that I wanted to show you guys here, is called Feature Points. You see it right here, Feature Points, up here in the address bar, featurepoints.com. And it says here, get rewarded, make money and earn rewards on your phone or the web with surveys, cash back, and more. And then you see the phone apps. You can get your phone app right here. It says they've paid out over $5,800,000 rewarded since 2012. So this site's got some good reputation to it. It's been around quite a few years. All right, it says got a few minutes of to spare while waiting in line. Make your time rewarding with Feature Points. We've paid millions of dollars in rewards to our users. And you can complete surveys here, earn points by sharing your opinion with us, and answer questions and get paid. And then earn cash back to shop at your favorite stores, earn hundreds of dollars in cash back with Feature Points. Stores pay us a commission for sending you to them, and we share it with you. And some of the stores that you can work with, Best Buy, there's Walmart, GameStop, Gap, Forever 21. And you can download apps and try free games and apps and earn points. Just try the app for a few minutes and you'll get credited. You can here they have also an affiliate program again, guys. Here's another way to earn extra money and points on this site. Share feature points and you'll get paid up to 50% every time your friend or friends earn points for life. That's a pretty good deal. And then you can redeem your points for awesome rewards. Redeem your points on a huge selection of gift cards including Amazon, PayPal, App Store, Xbox, PlayStation, Starbucks, Bitcoin, and many more. And it looks like they got a pretty good rating here. It's a 4.5 stars out of 5 based on 374 ratings on this site here. So come over here today and you can click the sign up here, and it's get rewarded, make money, and earn rewards on your phone or the web, it says. And then you can sign up with a local account or with your Facebook account here. You can see this button here. I'm kind of blocking it a little bit, but that's a Facebook button there. So that is another good place, a good place to come and get involved with and take action on this site right here. And then our fourth site today is Opinion World. You see it right up here in the address bar, opinionworld.com. Again, they pay with PayPal and so on and so forth, and gift cards. It says earn great rewards. Choose from a fantastic variety of gift cards and airline miles, or donate to a charity of your choice. Exciting download quick thoughts here today. Exciting rewards by taking quick and easy surveys on our Quick Thoughts app, available on your iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. They have paid online surveys. Each time you complete an online survey, you'll be paid in points that you can redeem for cash and all other kinds of rewards. It says, what's stopping you from joining today? Take advantage of the rewards we offer in exchange for your opinions. And then you can see right here, as a member, you'll redeem the points you earn completing surveys for money from dozens of top brands. Your options include Amazon gift card, claim codes, and cash using PayPal, and many more notable nationwide restaurants and retailers. That's interesting. Participate and to promote change. And then you can simply sign up here today with a local account. And again, I would use my PayPal email account. If you're signing up here and you've signed up with PayPal, use the same email that you use on PayPal, so that there's no confusion when it comes time to get you paid for what you've done, the work that you've done. And if we click on up here, it says how it works. You can see here, signing up is easy. It requires your general info like your name, email address, and gender, and so on and so forth down through here. I won't read all that. And if we come back here, you can see rewards here. It says your time is valuable, which is why we pay you for it, and check out popular options you can enjoy. Amazon gift cards. If it's not Amazon, it probably doesn't exist. Earn Amazon.com gift card, claims code by completing surveys, and cash rules all. And you can earn some right on our website using PayPal. Alrighty, guys, well, those are the 4 top sites I wanted to show you that you can make money online right from the comfort of your home in 2020 this year, starting here early in 2020. And guys, also if you want to see my #1 business, where you can make anywhere up to $300 to $4,000 in one day, you want to click that link down there in the description where it says mentorwithkev.com. I've got a free video training that will show you how to make up to $1,000 a month that you can get just for checking out the business, my #1 business, and see if it's a good fit for you. And do that today. Click that link down there, mentorwithkev.com. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so here on the next exciting video. Alright, you guys take care. Talk to you later. Bye-bye now.